welcome back to my channel. I'm Tina, aka Glamcraft here on YouTube, and as you can see, we're in a different setting. I have something a little different today. I have a untubing. Now, what did I get? I got a diamond painting from Miss Sparkle Queen herself, Mitzi. So I wanted to, I did open it and let it sit for a little bit because I wanted to make sure it laid flat so I can show you guys. Now, everything that comes with her kit, of course, she's all about rainbows, so, you know, you have to taste the rainbow. I mean, come on, Skittles, of course, you know. And then, of course, her card with her social media deeds and everything else. And then we got, oh, I lost a sticker, hold on. We got 2 stickers. We got this one. I don't know if it's supposed to go this way or this way. I think it's supposed to go this way. And then we got an elephant. I love these colors. They are so pretty. And then in her toolkit you get a boat, which is a little bigger than your standard boat, it looks like. I like it. And then, oh, the goodies. Alright, so one thing she has is the tweezers. They are rounded. I like that because then there's less chance of you shaking yourself. And the other thing I like about them is she has her name on them. I love that. Because then when somebody's like, oh, well, where'd you get those? I'm usually like, where did I get those? And if it has the name on there, I remember. And then she actually fills these up herself with diamonds. This is the pen. And then you get a multi-placer. This is actually glow-in-the-dark glue. I need to maybe one day set that in the sun and let you guys see that. And then a blue plate of wax with a little heart. That really shines. Now, Miss Sparkle Queen is doing a awards, a loyalty program where every kit you buy, you get a color of the rainbow. So, as this is my first kit, I get my first cover binder. Oh, it's really pretty. It feels like ribbon. I like it. So we're gonna put that back in there. And then this is the bag it comes in. I love the sparkle. Now, looking at this, I thought, oh, well, it's sealed up here and I have to tear it. No, it's just, so don't make that mistake I made. Just don't. Okay, so now to the piece de resistance. The kit. Which kit did I get? Okay, so for those of you who might not know, there are mainly 2 types of diamond painting glue. There is the port glue, and then there's the double-sided tape. That's what this is. Now, I have not had a double-sided tape kit. Part of that is I'm new to diamond painting, and double-sided tape is a little temperamental. You have to watch that you don't get bubbles or rivers or anything like that. But looking at this kit, I am not seeing any of that. It looks perfect. Now, I bet you're all wondering, which kit did I get? I got lovebirds. I just love the rainbow colors, little birdies. I just love it. So what we're gonna do is peel a side back. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. And it's really, really sticky. It's really, really sticky. Which is perfect. Now I think what I'm gonna do, the table almost fell over on me. I think what I'm gonna do, I have a table in my office that I think I'm just gonna set this on because I really do not want it to get bubbles or rivers or anything like that. I kind of need to pull this side back now. You just smooth. I really love how her canvases feel. They feel sturdy. They feel really, really good. Now, let's take a peek at the drills. If you do not like that sound, mute for, I would say, maybe 5 seconds or so. Or until you see me, that I have them open. Starting now. Alright, so we have our inventory sheet, which has the image. It is a 50 by 30 round. I chose mine. The one thing about Sparkle Queen is you can pick your diamond shape, but I think it's pretty cool. So I chose brown, and I chose lovebirds. So here are the diamonds. The one thing I like about what she does is she puts them, and I don't want to mess with this, so I'm just going to show it like this, and I'll probably put 1 or 2 colors out. She puts them in rainbow order. So it's a rainbow. How cool is that? Alright, so usually if you're going to have issues, it's going to be with a dark color. But as you can see, this is 310. I'm not that bad. Separated from the pad a little bit, but that's amazing. I am not really seeing. That one has, like, these two have little divots in them. But they're like, silence for the drills that got smooshed. These drills got smooshed. It happens. Here is 817. Again, I am not really seeing any drills that I would not use. I'm not seeing knubbly bits. I'm not seeing any dirt. Here's a yellow, like a gold yellow color. Again, I'm not seeing any drills that I wouldn't use. I did see 1 or 2 that had little divots on the bottom, and those are fine to use. There's nothing wrong with those drills. Now, the one thing I forgot to do, forgot to look at simple clarity. So we're gonna pull, carefully, pull this side down. Oh wow. Yeah. You can really see these symbols are clear. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Look at that, the simple clarity. Oh my gosh. And you aren't even that close. Like, ugh, this is so perfect. So, and it's super sticky. You will not have problems with Gel Sticky to the kit. Would I recommend Sparkle Queen? Of course. Her kit just looks so amazing. I cannot wait to get this done. I have a Diamond Art Club one to do, and then I have a really, really small one of them to do, and then I think I will get to this. I might start doing a diamond paint with me. I'll think about it and post one maybe. The other thing that I thought was cute, her paintings come in this tube and they are covered in like a purple plastic so that if it gets wet, a little wet, it's not really gonna be that bad. But it says on the end that you don't open, hi, please open on the other end. And then this one says, hello, welcome to Sparkle Queen. So definitely check her out. I will post her link down below and down for this kit. This kit, hold on, licking it up. I know, bad YouTuber, should have done this before, but this kit was $42.99 plus, I think it was like $8 shipping. It wasn't that much, especially with, you get, and this is really hard. You get that, you get the kit, which the other thing I do like about Sparkle Queen Creations is you can opt to not get the kit. If you do diamond painting for long enough, you will have a lot of these boats. You will get a lot of pens, but with her pen being a rainbow pen, I kind of wanted to get it, so that's why I opted for the kit. And I did want to try it out. I have not tried out blue wax. I know a couple diamond painters really love the blue wax over other waxes, and I have not tried it, so I am looking forward to trying that as well. So guys, I believe that is all. Again, I will post her shop down below, and this is a 30 by 50 and it was $42.99. And if you have any questions or comments, put them down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and ring that notification bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a video. Have a great day, guys.